Hello dear students, welcome once again to online video lecture for standard 7th English medium. Subject is English. We are going to start a new unit today. We are going to start the unit number 4, and in this unit we'll take activity number 2 first. Because activity number 1, I think that can be done by the students itself. It is to see the picture and we have to make the list of everything what you see. So you can do it yourself. Whatever you are seeing in the picture, you have to write it in your textbook. The space is already given there, and you have to write a new word which you have learned from the classmates list. So that is a classroom activity, and try to do it. Now one of the most important activity, that is the second activity, we will start. The title of the activity 2 is Gujarat. So Gujarat, that is our state. It has many tremendous facts, many amazing things which we do not know at present. Many of you might be knowing also, but there are something which might be known to us and which might not be known to us. Let us discover some unknown facts about our state, Gujarat. Gujarat is the westernmost state of India, a part of it projecting out into the Arabian Sea. Gujarat can be divided into three geographical regions, that is the eastern region that has the major cities of Ahmedabad, Surat and Vadodara. The second region is Saurashtra region between the Gulf of Cambay and the Gulf of Kutch. The third region is the northern region, that is of Kutch, which is a salty desert. So dear students, Gujarat is located toward the western part of India. It is the westernmost state of India, and it has nearly its 3 to 4th part, 3 by 4th part of the total area which is projecting in the Arabian Sea. And Gujarat can be divided into three geographical regions. The first one is the eastern part, where the major cities are located. Second one is the Saurashtra region, where we have the gulfs. Two gulfs of Gujarat is located here, the Gulf of Cambay and Gulf of Kutch. The third region is the northern region, which is the salty desert region. It is totally made up of white sand. We can see some salts also here. Mainly salt has been in Gujarat is produced in this salty desert, and this is the most industrialized state of the country and contribute about 1/5 of the total industrial output. But the figure has been changed now. Now it is 1/4. So the GDP of Gujarat is increasing day by day. Dear students, you might be shocked to know that our state Gujarat is having the same GDP as China has. So per year, China also increases its GDP by 12%. In the same way, the GDP of Gujarat also increases every year by 12%. So if we consider that Gujarat is a separate nation, it is not belonging to India, then we can say that India is the means Gujarat is the 67th richest state, or we can say it is the 67th richest nation in the whole world. You might be shocked to know that this does particularly well in textiles and electronics and had the largest petrochemical complex of India. So dear students, one of the petrochemical hub is located in Gujarat. Nearly Gujarat produces 1/4 part of the total petrochemicals which is consumed in India. Nearly Gujarat produces 1/4 part of the total cotton which is produced in all over India. Gujarat also is the largest producer of tobacco. Gujarat is a dry state. Gujarat was the first state to ban to put a ban on liquor. It's a totally dry state. Afterwards, Bihar is the second state which has totally banned the production and sale and consumption of liquor in public. India has the state Gujarat, and Gujarat has a state named as Surat, which is the third most cleanest city in all over India. First city which is most clean is Chandigarh, second comes Mysore, and the third one is Surat. So out of 8 out of 10, means totally 8 diamonds out of 10 diamonds are polished in Surat. So Surat is one of the biggest city to produce polished diamonds all over the world. Though Gandhinagar is the capital of the state, Ahmedabad, which was the former capital, is commercially and historically the most important city. containing Gujarat's only international airport. So Gujarat has only one international airport that has been located in Ahmedabad. Rest all the airports are domestic, and we cannot get any flight to foreign countries. If you want to have a foreign flight to foreign countries, you have to visit Ahmedabad. Now Surat is a center of diamond polishing and trade, and Vadodara is the erstwhile princely state. So Vadodara was one of the city which was ruled by the kings or the nawabs. We can say that princely states are known as riyasat in Hindi. So Surat is a state of diamond polishing. Nearly 80% of the world which produces diamond are produced in Surat, and they are also polished in Surat. So Surat is one of the biggest city to produce polished diamonds. Surat is also known for trade and industries. Nearly 50% of the total textile produced in the world comes from Surat, and Gujarat is one of the biggest export centers in all over India. Nearly 1/5 part of total export, which is being done all over India, comes from Gujarat. So there are many more amazing facts about Gujarat. We can see here that it is one of the westernmost states of India. It has the Ran of Kutch, one of the biggest statue known as Statue of Unity has been constructed in India. That too also in Gujarat. So our Gujarat is blessed with many things. Many of the tourists are coming to Gujarat for exploring the beautiful part of the world. Also, one of the richest man of India is from Gujarat. You might be knowing him. The Ambani families, they belong to Gujarat, and you might be shocked to know that out of 10, two people are from Gujarat who are the most richest from India. You might be also shocked to know that two people out of five in America are Gujaratis, and nearly 50% of the total population in North America comes from Gujarat. So one of the best nation which we can find it in whole over the world is Gujarat. So there are many facts which I want you to know, but due to the time limit and due to some limitations, I'm not able to present you all the facts here. But I want you to take benefits of facts which are presented here, and which are not been able to present here. You should find it out, and you should make a note in your notebook also. So let us revise once again. Gujarat is the westernmost state of India. It is a part which projects into the Arabian Sea. So nearly 3/4 of the total part of Gujarat projects into the Arabian Sea. So it has a vast coastline. Gujarat can be divided into three geographical regions. First one is the eastern region, second one is the Saurashtra region, and third one is the northern region. The eastern region consists of main cities known as Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and Surat. The Saurashtra region consists of Gulf of Cambay and Gulf of Kutch, and the northern region consists of the salty desert. Gujarat is the most industrialized state and contributes nearly to 1/5 of the total industrial output, but this figure has increased to 1/4. It means that total business with whatever is produced in all over India, the fourth part comes from Gujarat. The most developing GDP of all over India has the state of Gujarat. It is nearly equal to the GDP of China. China is one of the most developing nation in the whole world, but our Gujarat equalizes with the increase in the GDP, and it makes us feel very proud. The salty desert, which is known as the Ran of Kutch, is found here. It is totally white. Many tourists and peoples visit here to enjoy the sceneries of white sand and the white salt. There are many mythological places like Somnath Mandir, etc., which are worth visiting here. We have one of the biggest statue in the whole world known as Statue of Unity, which has been found here. Gujarat is one of the best sellers of textiles, diamonds, industries, electronics. and Gujarat is known for its history and commerce. Gujarat has one international airport which is located in Ahmedabad, and Surat is the center of diamond polishing. It is also known for trade, and Vadodara is one of the old princely estate of Gujarat. There are many more facts which I want you to find it out and note it down in your notebook. For the rest of the things, we will wait for the next video. Till then, keep learning, be safe, and stay at home.